Welcome back my YouTube channel Road Prince, and not forget subscribe, like and comment. The 2025 Genesis G90 epitomizes luxury and performance in the full-size sedan segment, offering a harmonious blend of advanced technology, refined design, and robust powertrains. Performance and powertrains. Standard engine. A 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine delivers 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque. E-supercharged engine. An enhanced 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with a 48-volt mild hybrid system produces 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. Both configurations feature an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Fuel efficiency. Standard engine, EPA rated at 18 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway. E-supercharged engine, EPA rated at 17 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. Interior and features. The G90's cabin exudes opulence with Napa leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and an array of high-end amenities. Comfort. Massaging seats and powered doors that open and close automatically. Ambience. An integrated fragrance diffuser enhances the sensory experience. Car and driver. Technology. A comprehensive suite of advanced features ensures connectivity and entertainment. Pricing. The Genesis G90 starts at $89,700, offering a competitive alternative to European luxury sedans. Conclusion. The 2025 Genesis G90 seamlessly combines luxury, performance, and advanced technology, positioning itself as a formidable contender in the luxury sedan market.